We're back with the latest on the southern state of Kerala, which has reported a massive surge in COVID-19 cases, with 22,000 cases being reported in just one day. The Kerala government has attributed the rapid rise in COVID cases to the Delta variant and has asserted that the cases were under control. The opposition, meanwhile, has slammed the government for easing relaxations for festivals.
The southern state of Kerala, now a hotspot of COVID-19 cases. Over 22,000 cases reported for a third day in a row in Kerala, accounting for more than 50% of India's active COVID-19 cases, with a highest positivity rate of 12.93% and overall 1,54,000 active COVID cases. Kerala is battling with a rapid surge in COVID-19 cases, while the rest of the country is witnessing a decline. While the opposition has slammed the Kerala government over relaxing COVID norms during Eid festival.
See, I have been telling it right from the beginning that Kerala government took an unscientific approach. When the ICMR and WHO was telling test, trace, treat. This was the approach of WHO and the ICMR. Kerala government said that we don't apply that formula in Kerala. We have our own formula.
The Kerala government has, however, maintained that the cases are under control and can be managed, while attributing the rise in cases to Delta variant.
We are conducting a maximum number of tests these days. As you all know, yesterday we conducted almost more than 1,96,000 tests, and today we did more than 1,63,000 tests. So we are trying to do more tests. We want to identify every single positive case. So we are doing maximum tests and we are reporting it, and we are doing all the tracing. And why we are doing this? We want to reduce the cases.
The centre has dispatched a 6-member team to take stock of the situation.
I found that most people in Kerala, almost everybody is wearing the mask. They are maintaining the social distance, and therefore these increased surging numbers are a matter of real worry. And I'm very happy that the central team is going there, and they should be able to kind of investigate and find out the reasons and come to a solution.
The standoff between the centre and the state in connection with the COVID crisis in the state of Kerala continues, as now the Minister of State, V. Muralidharan, has slammed Pinarayi Vijayan government for its unscientific approach in managing COVID in the state. He has specifically criticized the easing of lockdown during the festival of Eid, and has also said it is a reason for the spike in numbers.
Bureau Report, Republic TV.